Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to organize your menu bar on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Without a doubt, the menu bar is one of Mac's great features. It's condensed, easy to tap into on the fly, and display much needed information in real time in here. So what if you want to organize, maybe you want to remove or add any items or menu on your menu bar? It's very simple. So you can go to your system preferences in your MacBook, and then you can go to dock and menu bar. You can select on that, and in here on dock and menu bar section, you can here's for your dock settings. Maybe if you want to change your dock, and here for menu bar, automatically hide and show the menu bar on desktop, so your menu bar will be hidden. But if you like this, the menu bar will be appear. Now if you want to show Wi-Fi on your menu bar, you can checklist in here. But if you don't want, you can unchecklist, so the Wi-Fi will be hidden from your menu bar. So for Bluetooth, if you want to show it on menu bar, you can just checklist on show in menu bar. And also on your airdrop, focus, keyboard and brightness, you can show it on your menu bar. And then your display, show in menu bar if you want to. So here's where you can organize all the items, all the menu on your MacBook's menu bar. It's very simple, right? So that is how to organize your menu bar on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.